Residential areas and estates. They are some of the best places to make money in Kenya right now. In fact, if you know the right services to offer, you can easily make your first 1,000 Kenyan shillings in a day with little capital or no capital at all. This is because every single day people in estates, they need help with things that they either don't have time to do, things that they are either too busy to do, or simply things that they don't want to do. And that is where the opportunity is. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 high demand services that Kenyan estates are desperately in need of right now. And you can start almost immediately. Just make sure you watch this video until the end, because honestly, number 5 shocked even me. If you love practical Kenyan making money ideas like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I always say, subscribing is absolutely free. And let's get straight into the business. And the first service is house cleaning service. To be honest, many people leave their houses very early in the morning and they come back tired. Some come back even late, and the last thing they want to do in their house by that time is cleaning the house. Some of them even have visitors coming unexpectedly, and that's where they start looking for someone to offer the house cleaning service. So that's where you come in. You can come in and offer a simple house cleaning service. And the good thing is that you don't need expensive machines to start. All you need is a soap, a bucket, gloves, and determination. And that's it. To get clients, start with your estate or any estate near you. Then post your services on WhatsApp status, estate WhatsApp groups. Estates have WhatsApp group. You can post your services there too. And you can also join Facebook Marketplace. You can go ahead and write something like affordable house cleaning service, same day cleaning available. That way you are marketing yourself, you are making people to know you, and you are creating visibility. Trust me, people will message you. Now, how much can you charge? Even if you charge 500 Kenyan shillings, 1,000 Kenyan shillings, or even 1,500 Kenyan shillings, that's a good money for a start. And if you go ahead and do a good job, they will be calling you again and again. How sweet. Now, this is an important tip to note. Reliability is rare. Most of the time, reliability is rare. So, if you can arrive on time, speak respectfully, and do clean work, trust me, you will be ahead of most of your competitors. The second service that is desperately needed in these Kenyan estates is errand running service. Errand running service. To be honest, going to town just for one thing can waste your whole day, and most people hate that, and so they will pay someone to do it for them. And again, most people are busy. Some even don't have time to queue, to shop, to deliver packages, and even pick items. And so that's a business opportunity. So what you can do, you can help people buy groceries, you can deliver items, you can pay bills, and you can also pick documents for them. Simple things. For example, someone can send you 3,000 Kenyan shillings to shop for them with a list of what they want. And then you can charge 300 Kenyan shillings delivery service fee. So if you can be able to do that several times in a day, trust me, that is a serious income. This business, trust me, it works because people are mostly paying for convenience. Convenience is slowly becoming valuable. Just make sure that you are always available on time when needed. The third service that is desperately needed is social media management. Now, this one is big. This one, if you walk around your area, being that we are in the social media era, if you just walk around your estates or your area, you will find businesses like barber shops, small restaurants. You'll also find cosmetic shops and even boutiques. Most of these businesses, they have dead social media pages. I mean, maybe they created social media pages, but they're not active on them. And also, they have poor photos, and to make things worse, some of them don't even have that online presence. Yet, they want customers. In this time and era, if someone owns a business and is not having any social media platform, his or her business is not on any social media platform, trust me, that business is bound to fail. So your job can be to come in and help them to post content on their pages. And also, you can reply to messages on their behalf. You can also be uploading products for them on their pages. And also, you can also be promoting offers on Facebook and Instagram on their behalf. Simple. You don't even need to be an expert. Now, this is how you can be able to start easily this kind of service. This is an easy starter offer. Tell them that you'll be able to manage their page for 7 days just for 1,000 Kenyan shillings. That is because many small businesses can afford that 1,000 Kenyan shillings. You work for 7 days and then they pay you that 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Many small businesses can afford that. And once they see results, they'll continue paying you. Something important is that many small businesses in Kenya right now, they're slowly realizing that if you're not online, people can forget that you exist. And that's why this opportunity is growing fast. The fourth service is the mobile car wash. Now, this one is one of the easiest hustles to start, especially in estates. This is because people love clean cars, but they hate waiting at the car wash stations. So, instead of customers coming to the car wash, you go to them instead. Are we together? Right? What you just need is a simple bucket, water, soap, and towels. That's already enough to start. Now, who to target? You can start with your neighbors, estate residents, offices, and even taxi drivers. And this is the reason why it makes money. Cars get dirty regularly, and what this means is that you have repeat customers. And repeat customers are powerful in business. You can do a smart branding tip. Don't call it a car wash. Instead, you can call it something like home car spa, and that sounds premium. Yeah? The fifth service that is in high demand in Kenyan estates, laundry pickup and delivery. Honestly, this one surprised even me when I realized how many people need it. People are busy and they don't even own washing machines. And others simply just hate washing clothes, especially students, working people, and even Airbnb hosts. Nowadays, there are a lot of Airbnbs in residential areas and even estates. And their hosts are always in need of these services. What you can do, you pick clothes, go and wash them, iron, and then deliver them back. Simple business. And then you can charge them per basket or be charging per kg, or you can even do weekly packages, depending with what works for you. And trust me, once these customers trust you, they become your regular clients. And the reason why this business is powerful is that laundry never ends, because people wear clothes every day. And what this means is that consistent demand. Wait, if you've been watching this video till this far, it means you are gaining some value from it. Kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The sixth service is garbage collection service. This one, it may not look glamorous, but trust me, it has serious money. In many estates, garbage piles up. Collection delays most of the time happen. In situations like this, people end up getting frustrated. And now that frustration comes in as your opportunity, because the garbage will start smelling and they will have no other choice but looks for another alternative. How to start? You don't need a truck immediately. You can start small by using something like a wheelbarrow, a hand cart, or you can even partner with a boda rider. And then focus on one estate first. You can go door to door to tell the residents that you collect garbage twice a week. Very simple and professional. Now, how you make money from it is that you can charge each household 100 Kenyan shillings, 200 Kenyan shillings, or even 300 Kenyan shillings weekly. Now, you can imagine 50 houses paying weekly. That becomes a stable income. With this garbage collection, you can also make extra money. You can sell the plastic bottles you collect from the garbage. You can also sell scrap metals. What that simply means is that the garbage itself can make you more money. Now, I always consider branding as an important tip. And with garbage collection, you can consider branding yourself as well. Never present it as taka work. Instead, brand it professionally. You can brand yourself as eco-waste services or even something like clean estate solutions. This is because people normally respect professionalism. Most people are normally waiting for perfect timing, big capital, or even big opportunities. Meanwhile, others are making money from solving everyday problems. The truth is, small services done consistently can completely change your life. Now, I want you to comment below, which of these 6 services would you start today? If you want more real Kenyan practical money ideas, subscribe right now, because on this channel we don't just talk about money, we take action. Watch this next video if you want to know how Kenyans are making money online, and you can also join them in making money online. Watch this next video, don't be left behind. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.